In this video, I'm going to be explaining how the iFeel function works on the Hisense air conditioner. So stay tuned. Now, you probably hold your remote and you see this, the iFeel option, the iFeel button, and you're actually wondering what this button is for. Now, let's break it down. We have a remote, the Hisense AC remote, and then we have the Hisense AC, okay? The one which is probably mounted on the wall of your room, okay? Now, the inbuilt unit has a temperature sensor, which basically it uses, sort of adjust the temperature of the room, depending on where it is actually. Now, with the iFeel function, the Hisense AC remote actually has an inbuilt temperature sensor. Okay? What does that mean? That once the iFeel function is actually activated, the temperature sensor detects the temperature around and sends signals to the AC unit so that the temperature is actually set as where the remote is actually located. How is this important? This is actually very important in big rooms, okay? So that you actually have the utmost comfort basing on the temperature of your surroundings. But please remember, you don't have to place blankets on top of the remote because that can affect that. Don't place this remote in sunlight, and please give it time so that it can actually do its magic. So, in short, with the iFeel function, you're actually basically telling the AC to cool the room on where you are probably holding the remote rather than up there. Can actually be very important if you're watching TV and working on your desk and you want the AC unit to adjust the temperature depending on where you actually are. If you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.